Hello, everyone. My name is Nitin Gupta. I'm the Senior Director of Training and Certification at Saviynt. In this video, I want to give you a walkthrough of our learning platform. As you are aware, we do have some foundational courses, fundamental e-learning content available through our YouTube channel, which is available at no cost. However, there's a lot more content available on our learning platform, which is Litmus. And some of those courses are mandatory courses for achieving a certification on Saviynt. So in today's video, my objective is to give you a walkthrough of what additional content we have on our learning platform. So let's dive in. All right. So here is how our learning platform looks. So I think if you are logged in as a user on our platform, currently access to this platform is available only to our authorized customers and partners. So if you are associated with Saviynt, either as a customer or partner, you should definitely request access to our platform. Once you're logged in, you can go to the content library tab, and all the courses are available under the content library tab. You can, if you know the name of the course, you can search it from here. Otherwise, you can even use filters on the left hand side. You can also choose the option of collections. And I think collections is a great way for you to get started depending upon your job role. So for example, if you are an end user, then we've got a collection which is here on the top. If you are an executive or a program manager and one of the key decision makers, wherein you don't really need to be hands-on the product. However, you need to know enough to be able to make informed decisions about a platform, then we have a collection for you as well. We've got a fundamental e-learning collection, which is again a collection of pretty much the same courses that are available on YouTube as well. Uh, and then we've got a seller collection. So if you are somebody from a sales team, you want to understand how to pitch Saviynt, what are the differentiators, how you need to compare Saviynt with the competition. So, a great sort of collection for sales audience as well. And the one at the bottom is for our hardcore technical users, right? The consultants, the developers, the engineers, the architects. If you are in one of these roles, we've got a huge amount of content for you. So let me just go inside this collection and show you how this is built up. So it starts with the basic courses, and I think some of these you might have heard me talk about in one of the previous video I did on the YouTube channel walkthrough. So if you haven't watched, I recommend that you please have a look at that video. And then, the main ones that I wanted to cover in this session are the level 100, level 200 courses. They are available both in classroom format as well as self-paced, as you can see here. So this is the self-paced version of our flagship training for IGA, the level 100. This course is built for practitioners, people who implement our solution, or for administrators. So if you are in one of those roles, we highly recommend that you look at this training course. So there are a lot of modules, short videos, bite-sized content. So all of that is there. So you can see here, right? It's a lot of videos. Uh, we've got a lot of modules. Access request is covered in details, rules and policies, certification, intelligence, and some of the integrations with popular tools like ServiceNow, etc. So I think great starting point if you're looking to get certified. The reason why I'm highlighting this from a certification standpoint is because this course is a mandatory training course if you're looking to get certified on Saviynt. So I'll do a separate video on the certification exams just to give you a proper walkthrough on what exams we have. But just quickly showing you this exam preparation guide. This is for the level 100 exam. It's called the Saviynt Certified IGA Professional. And as you can see here, for you to take this exam, you must complete the Saviynt IGA level 100 training, either the classroom or the self-paced. Uh, so this training is only available on our learning platform. It's not available through the YouTube channel. So I think if you are an authorized partner customer, please get access to our platform and get started with this training so that you can complete it. And once you complete it, you are in a very good position to take a stab at the Saviynt Certified Professional exam. The next one that I quickly want to cover as part of this session is the level 200 training. So level 100, as the name suggests, is a starting level training course for practitioners, consultants, architects. And then we also have a level 200, which goes one step ahead, and it's the advanced level training on our IGA platform. So yeah, again, it's available in self-paced and classroom. If you're interested in the classroom option, it's a 3-day classroom session. Generally, our classes start on Tuesday and end on Thursday, 8 hours a day. So total 24 hours of classroom session. So again, like the L100, this course also has a lot of advanced topics like REST APIs, connectors, service account management, group management, intelligence. Again, intelligence is a big component of this course. Integrations with ServiceNow, and the other thing I want to add, these courses comes with hands-on experience. Both level 100, level 200 has a lab environment that we will provide you. There are about 300 400 pages of lab instructions. We call it as a lab manual. We'll give you that document so that you can practice some of these common use cases directly on our platform. So it's a great way to gain hands-on experience with our platform. So for level 200, I think if you've taken level 200 training, then you make yourself eligible to take a stab at the Saviynt Certified Advanced IGA Professional exam. It's kind of a coincidence that this exam went live today, and here I am in front of you talking about this exam. So this exam has a mandatory prerequisite that you should complete level 200 training, which I gave you a quick walkthrough of. So I hope this is informational. So YouTube is a great starting point for you to just get foundational knowledge on our platform. However, if you are a serious practitioner, consultant, and you want to grow your career, advance your career in Saviynt, I highly recommend that you get access to our learning platform and start with level 100 course and eventually take on the level 200. We should have level 300 in the next couple of quarters as well. And we do have L100 courses on CPAM, which is our PAM platform. So yeah, I hope this is informational. Thank you very much.